Hello everyone, I'm just making a quick video of some garlic scapes that I harvested. Today's June 17th, 2022. These are for the music garlics that I'm growing from home. They start to kind of curl a bit like that, and they bend over and then they straighten out. This part here, when it straightens out, ends up becoming a flower. So I usually cut them off to try to get a bigger bulb, a bigger garlic bulb. So hopefully it turns out. If anyone, I don't know any, I know that you try them. If anyone has any other recipes or suggestions on how to prepare them, whether it's for some sort of pesto, I think, or topping for soup, please leave a comment down on the bottom. It's a short video, but thank you for watching, and talk to everyone soon. Bye bye.